Timer start tayo. This is game 5 and game 6. Start agad tayo, man. Oh my God, ako ulan. Okay na? G. Lakas ulan, man. Lakas ng ulan. Sana hindi bumaha. Mga flood control. Baka naman yung flood control. Ang mga bintana, isasara natin. Pasok yung tubig. Wait lang. Woo! Tagulan na! Hawakan ng mga ticket! Time, 15 minutes. Score 4-0, bus, di pala. 15 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Score 4-0. Oscar, 2 points. Dick, score. Last 15 minutes. Oh, easy. Woo! Nakulat. Oh, good. Ingat ka. Basket, 2 points. 6-2. No. Basket, 2 points, score 6-4. Rain or shine, ball is live. Bola muna, bago. Madulog. Hindi na malamig. 15 minutes, 13 minutes and 50 seconds. Score all 6. tubig ha. Naubos na. Kay Kuya William, pwede bumili. Basket 2 points, score all 8. 13 minutes remaining, change court at 9 minutes. Ang lakas ng ulan. 12 minutes and 40 seconds remaining, score 10-8. Twelve minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Oh my God. Slowly. Sila ko yan. 12 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Score is 12-8. Last 3 minutes before change score. Last 1 minute and 2 minutes and 30 seconds for change court. Score is 14-10. No good. 11 minutes remaining. Very good. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds for change court. 17-10 score. So good. 1 minute and 30 seconds before change court. Out of bounds. Last 1 minute before change court. Score is 19-12. Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 2 points, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change court, running time. Alright, change court tayo. Score is 23-15. O, palitan mo na yung ano. Ayan, change mo na yung score. Tama ba? Plus minus mo lang. Ayan. Okay, running time. Basket 2 points. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. So good. Last 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Basket 2 points. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Out of bounds. Basket 2 points score 17-25 in favor of Dorside. 7 minutes remaining. Basket 2 points. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Score is 19-27. Out of bounds. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Score 19-27. Basket 2 points. Score. Score by Ate. 21-27. Last 5 minutes. Basket 2 points. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Score 26-29. Last 4 minutes. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Score is 26-29 in favor of Dorside. Basket 2 points, last 3 minutes and 10 seconds, 28-29. Basket. 28-31, 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Two minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Score 28-31. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Last 2 minutes.
240. Bigas ka? Bigas? Kung pa rin ba bigas? Number mo? Hindi, taga lang.
1 minute and 40 seconds remaining.
Bigas ba? Bigas?
Last 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Basket 2 points for score by 30. Next, 30, 33, 30, 33, 33. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Yung may mga balance, pwede na mag-settle ha. Thank you. Last 50 seconds.
May last pa.
Fourteen, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tira. Last turn.